Hello students, you are watching Kasyap tutorial and myself Prabhakar Acharya, and here I am discussing with you 2025 question paper, entire Sanskrit question paper, and till now I have uploaded first two videos related to Prathama Vibhaga and Dvitiya Vibhaga. Now in this third video I will discuss with you third part along with the answers, and so you can check that whether your answers are correct or not. So let's start. First, once again, see this 2025 27th Feb this paper is, and 80 marks paper, 3 hours. So let me share you the third part. This is Tritiya Vibhaga, third part based on slokas, and this part is of 18 marks. So again, question number 3, you can see a question number 3. Padyansam paditva nirdishtaha kritihi kuruta, and it will be of 4 marks. So read the slokas. Padyansam is the part of slokas. Read the slokas and answer the following questions. And sloka is Nindantu Niti Nipuna Yadivastu, that is from first chapter of poetry, Sukti Sudha. So Nindantu Niti Nipuna Yadivastu Bantuhu Lakshmi Sama Vishatu Gachatu Va Yatheshtam Addeva Va Maranamastu Yugantareva Nyayat Patha Pravichalanti Padam Nadhiraha. Second one is Satada Korna Vacho Vilapanti Sudukhita Vanaspati Gatam Gruddam Dadarsa Yatalochana, from that is the chapter name is Jatayu Shaurya, and the last sloka is from Chitra Kavyam, and sloka is Ayam na bhakto nacha pujako va ghantam swayam nadayate tathapi dhanam janebhya kil yachateyam na yachako va nacha nirdhano va. So the first question is Purna Vakyena Uttaram Likhata Ayam na bhakto iti prahelikayaha uttaram kim. It is asking what is the answer of this riddle. So its answer will be Ayam na bhakto iti prahelikayaha uttaram. ये आपको रिप्लेस करना है. इसका आंसर विल बी लोकयान 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 वाहकः. आंसर इज लोकयान वाहकः. सो द आंसर विल अयम न भक्तो इति प्रहेलिकायाः उत्तरम लोकयान वाहकः. सो दिस विल बी इन कंप्लीट सेंटेंस. यू हैव टू राइट आंसर इन कंप्लीट सेंटेंस. Second question is, that is and remember here it is given Padyansa Paditva Nirdishte Kriti Kruta Tritah Dve, matlab 2 out of 3. So first is this one Ka. Kha is Visheshan Visheshayoh Melanam Vanaspati Gataha Gruddha. Is answer will be Vanaspati Gataha Gruddha. And so it should be in a sentence Ayat Lochana Sita. Ayat Lochana Sita. This is the answer of Visheshan Visheshayoh. Then Purpadam Uttarpadam Likhata, that is Ga, based on the Sandhi. So second part is given Purpadam Likhata. Only you have to write first part. So Maranam Astu. So you can see Astu और कहीं पर नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है. So मौ में से और निकला है. So it is answer will be Maranam. Maranam adhik astu. So underline this word. Then yachateyam, it is yachate adhik ayam. So this is the answer of Sandhi Vigraham Guruta. So in the previous one, out of 3 questions, any 2 you had to write, and I hope you have attempted all the questions and correct answers you have written. Now Manjusata Uchitam Shabdam Chitva स्तंभ पूर्णम कुरुता, दैट इज ऑफ 2 मार्क्स. और ये ऑप्शनल क्वेश्चंस नहीं है, कंपलसरी ये क्वेश्चंस लिखना था. यू हैव टू ड्रॉ दिस बॉक्स. नीति निपुणाः, एंड यू हैव टू चूज द वर्ड फ्रॉम हियर. नीति निपुणाः निंदन्तु, दैट इज फर्स्ट निंदन्तु. निंदन्तु ये अंडरलाइन करना था. यू हैव टू अंडरलाइन दिस वर्ड. एंड स्तुवन्तु, सेकंड वर्ड स्तुवन्तु. अगेन and in second Adyeva. So here Maranam Adyeva Yugantare. Yugantare is the answer of this. Now come to क्रिया सिद्धि सद्वे, दैट इज माध्यम भाषा उत्तरम लिखा था, तो ये 2 कंपलसरी था, ड्रॉ करना जरूरी था, एंड अंडरलाइन वाज आल्सो कंपलसरी, यू हैड टू अंडरलाइन दिस वर्ड, बट इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द एग्जामिनर वेदर यू विल गेट द फुल मार्क्स और नॉट. स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स हुआ तो आपके मार्क्स कटने के चांसेस है ना. माध्यम भाषा उत्तरम लिखा था मीन्स आंसर इन इंग्लिश, एंड द्वितः एकम, so 1 out of 2 and 2 marks along with the introduction. बट मैंने इसमें शॉर्टली आपको आंसर्स बताने की कोशिश करूँगा बिकॉज उतना टाइम नहीं है, बिकॉज आपको नेक्स्ट पेपर भी देना है. सो जस्ट आई एम डिस्कसिंग आंसर विथ यू. क्रिया सिद्धि सत्वे भवति इति सूर्यस्य उदाहरणेन स्पष्टीकुरुत, मीन्स explain kriya siddhi sattve bhavati, means the success of the work depends on the effort and not on the at the means or on the means. You explain this example, this sentence with the help of sun, example of sun. So यहाँ पे इसका आंसर है, I show you answer of this. So the answer is one can cultivate a strong and morally superior character by understanding the meaning of a good saying with the reference to the given subhashit. Kriya siddhi sattve bhavati is a subhashit that explains the power of great people with the example of the sun. Even with a single wheel to the chariot of 7 horses controlled by the bridle of a snake, a supportless difficult path, and a lame charioteer, the sun surely reaches the end of the unending sky every day. Then the success of the great people is in their spirit, means valor, and does not depend on the means, that is instrument. The sun, though surrounded by all unfavorable conditions, succeeds in the reaching last end of the sky. In the same way, great people, though suffer due to unfavorable condition, accomplish their task. So this is the answer explanation of first sloka. Now come to second number, that is Yatha Chaturbhi, taken from Yugmamala. So its answer is Yugmala. Yugmala is a collection of those verses wherein Shabda Yugma is used to complete the meaning of the verse as well as to enhance its linguistic beauty. An ideal person should not linguistic beauty. An ideal person should be knowledgeable and virtuous. He should indulge himself in right deeds. So what is said here? Just as gold is scratched to check its shine, it is cut to see its elasticity, it is heated to understand its purity, and its softness can be examined by hammering on it. Similarly, a man with pure mind, knowledge, and virtues overcomes troubles. So the good person is judged by their 4 qualities, that is you can see his knowledge, characters, as well as achievements, and that is the fourth things has been said in the slokas, and the man has been compared here with the gold. So ये कहा गया, this is the answer of Madhyam Bhasha. Now come to next part. Next part is complete the slokas. पद्य शुद्धे पूर्णे च लिखा था क ख त एक and ग घ त एक, that is क ख से एक and ग घ से एक. क ख is of 4 line slokas and it is of 4 marks, and ग घ is of 2 marks. So first sloka is from Chitrakavyam, and sloka is Kansan Jaghana Krishna का शीतल वाहिनी गंगा केदार पोषण रताः कम बलवंतम न बाधते शीतम. Second sloka is Yada Kinchit Gyoham from Yugmala, and it is Yada Kinchit Gyoham Dipa Iva Madandha Samabhavam Tada Sarvagyo Smitya Bhavadabaliptam Mama Manaha Yada Kinchit Kinchit Buddhajana Sakasha Davagatam Tada Murkho Smiti Jora Iva Madome Vyapagata. So these 2 slokas were of 4 marks, and any one you have to write. So I hope you have written correctly. Now come to 2 line slokas. Ga gha mein se koi ek. So that is, I show you that sloka. गग तावत् भयाद्धि भेतव्यम यावत् भयमनागतम आगतम तु भयम वीक्ष्य नरः कुर्याद् यथोचितम. That is from युगमाला. and राक्षसेभ्यः सुतां हृत्वा जनकस्य पुरीं ययो अत्र कर्तृपदं गुप्तं यो जानाति स पंडितः. These two means last sloka is from चित्रकाव्यम. So ये श्लोकास था 2 लाइन का और 2 marks का. Now come to next part. Here the question is पद्यांशं पठित्वा माध्यम भाषया सरलार्थं लिखत. Here the one thing I miss out here, अन्वयम पूरयत, that is also of 2 marks. So अन्वयम पूरयत, you can see here 2 marks. So अल्पानाम अपि वस्तूनाम, so that is अल्पानाम वस्तूनाम, it is वस्तूनाम अपि संहति कार्य साधिका विद्यते. यथा गुणत्वम आपन्नैः तृणैः मत्त दंतिनः बध्यन्ते. So these are the 4 words which is half mark for each word. Say this is from Alpanam Vastunam Sangati. So this is from Sukti Sudha. Now come to next part, Slokas translation. So Slokas translation में you can see here it is written पद्यांशं पठित्वा माध्यम भाषया सरलार्थं लिखत. Means question number 3 U पद्यांशं पठित्वा reading the slokas and translate in English for English medium. And 3 तः 2 so 2 out of 3 4 marks. So वाचनम ज्ञानदम बाल्ये तारुण्य शील रक्षकम वार्धक्य दुख हरणम हितम सद्ग्रंथ. वाचनम is from वाचन प्रशंसा, वृथा भ्रमण is from वाचन प्रशंसा, and यथेव सकला is from मानवता धर्म. Now see it's a translation. So the translation of very first sloka is Vachanam. So reading gives knowledge in the childhood. It guards the character in the youth. It wards off sorrow in the old age. Hence, reading good books is beneficial. So this is the translation of very first. So reading gives knowledge in the childhood. It guards the character in the youth. It wards off sorrow, means removes sorrow in the old age. Hence, reading good books is beneficial. Second one is Vritha Brahman. So a student should not waste time in wandering aimlessly, playing harmful game, troubling, bothering others by abusive talk. In fact, a student should resort to reading. An explanation is what does the poet want to tell you. So its explanation is reading helps in building up good character. However, if a student is involved in reading, that is above mentioned futile activities, he wastes his time and corrupts his mind. So that is translation of this one. Second number, and last one is just as all rivers enter the ocean, likewise all religions resort to humanity. So ये translation है श्लोकास का. एंड these are the answers of तृतीय पार्ट. मैंने जल्दीबाजी किया बिकॉज मैं डिस्कस करना चाहता था कि आपको कि आप फिर फ्री हो सके, तो मैंने उतना डिटेल में नहीं डिस्कस किया. एंड इन शॉर्ट आई डिस्कस द आंसर्स. So if there is any error, you can please excuse me. And very soon I'm going to upload 4th video.